welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a fashionista, motivational speaker, but above all else, my darlings, I am what? I am a makeup addict, and that is why you are what? That is why you are here. Happy New Year, my loves. I've missed you. I'm so excited to be back, and today we are having a makeup tutorial by none other but JUVIA'S Place. JUVIA'S Place came out with 4 fantastic minis. Where are the other minis? Are they close by? Because guess what, darlings? This is my first filming by myself. Ula is not here. Ula has said to me, darling, I love you. I have tried to assist you to some kind of level of success. Now I have to go back to my own job. And so he's left me. Yes, darling. He's now taking care of Adrian over the weekends because that's when we film. And I'm doing this myself. And I said to myself, you know what? Independence is good for you to learn. Know how to film your own videos. Ula has done over 300 videos, and this is my first. So don't come for me if it's not that great. I'm trying here. Anyway, JUVIA'S Place came out with minis. Yes, they came out with berries, nudes, chocolates, and violets. And I decided for you guys, I'm gonna do a tutorial with each palette. First up, the berries, and this is what I have on my eyes. And when you look at the palette, it has, my darlings, it has 4 mattes, 4 fabulous mattes, and 2 sensational shimmers. Of course, you guys can use my discount code for an extra 10% off when you go onto the website, and that is my gift from me to you. I thought it was sensational. I did not see this coming. This was like, hello. Of course, the packaging is gorgeous, and look at the berries. It's that kind of, well, it is berry. There you go. I had to touch up real quick. Let me just double check. I don't have Ula here anymore to say for me, you know what, your makeup is running. So yes, they retail for $13.99, but you get an extra 10% off when you use my discount code. You can buy all 4. You can buy the bundle. I think it comes like $52.99, something like that. Then remove the 10% off with my discount code, and you are good to go. I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't see it coming. You know I love red. I'm looking at the monitor. You know I love me a red. You know I love me a berry. And of course, I went on to use one of my favorite blushes of all time, and this, my darling, is the blush, and this is the volume 1 palette, and I use Toby. I know the name offhand. Toby, this gorgeous like pumpkin, and it comes off and it just warms up your cheeks. I went on to use Beaming Highlight, yes, Megawatt by Jaclyn Hill, one of my all-time favorite highlighters. So you just have to sit back and enjoy, and then we will come back with the review, you know, and we will see whether it's F.D.V approved or not. All right, my loves, so sit back and enjoy.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In the middle of say, then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. Now I wake up every morning next to her. I gotta pinch myself to prove that she's my girl. And there's no place I'd rather be here in this world, 'cause I have no doubt, and I know she is the one. I guess it really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. did I do? In the middle of sex, then it all came back. When I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, my feelings come to life again. My feelings come to life. I didn't care. I just saw her standing near. Made my feelings come to life again. She's my Mrs. Right. My one, the one, and only one. My one, the one, and only one. My one, the one, and only one. My one, the one.
Do we love, darlings? Do we love? I absolutely love. I love the texture of these. I loved the shimmers. They were very smooth. They were very soft. They glided on. The mattes were just heaven. And as you guys can see, I had done my foundation. I had done my brows. I had done my contour before I started because I want to quicken up the video because I have a baby. Like, hello, you know, nanny doesn't work on the weekends. And so I put that on minimum to no fallout. And you guys saw it because you know what? I got to be quick. I did not use a base. I only used a base to cut the crease. This is JUVIA'S place for you. When I tell you that they always come with such fabulous quality, very, very good standard, and extremely affordable. I love this. I think it's dramatic. I think it's making a statement. You can go out at night and do your thing. I used all colors because I wanted you to see, you know, how it just comes out, and it just gave me all the pops that I wanted. And of course, I used my royalty lip gloss for my collaboration with the brand. Everything on the face, when it came to color, to blusher, to lip, to shadows, it was JUVIA'S place. And use my discount code. My gift to you, like I've said before. Do you think that it is F.D.V approved? Because I have to ask myself this question now. It is absolutely F.D.V approved. Thank you so very much for watching, guys, and I would love for you to come back to my channel when we'll do the nudes, the chocolates, the violets. I'm going to do each tutorial for you guys, just for you to have a feel of how it wears and how it looks. And gorgeous. I just said, you know what, no need for swatches, Fums. Put it on their eyes where they want to see it. Beautiful, I tell ya. I love you guys. I'll see you soon, okay? Sending you positive vibes, okay? Mwah.